Chicken jockey. Chicken jockey update. Yo, it's the update. The update is now. Look at all the secret fruits. Okay, so you got the chicken jockey, you got some secret fruits on the ground, you got some flowers over there. Wake up! No, the owl is sleeping. The owl is sleeping. Wake up! Wake up! Oh no, he doesn't know. He doesn't know the update is gonna drop. The update is gonna drop. Oh my god. Awakening! Blood Moon Awakening. Awakening. Okay. Run away. He's gonna get you. Oh no, he's gonna eat him. No, he's gonna eat him. Owls can actually eat chickens, so you gotta be careful. Look at the moon. Wait, why is my chicken... Wait, why is my chicken disabled? Wait, what? You just got chicken zombie, okay? We got a chicken zombie. This is pretty much how you can get chicken zombie. And we also got the blood moon event right here. And this is pretty much the brand new update. You can get the mysterious crate. Should I get it? We get the blood banana. Oh my god. Why is the animation so weird? Okay, anyways. Hedgehog. Hedgehog and the owl. Look at that, the owl. That is pretty much what you want to get in this update. This one costs 30 million if I'm not mistaken. So that is the new update of Blood Moon update. The Blood Moon update. Next night event in 1 hour. So I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure how much Blood Moon events are you gonna get. Let me check out the chicken, okay? Where is the chicken? What am I even okay? Okay, zombie chicken. Let me favorite that one because okay, let me pick up this lap dog. Lap dog. Okay, pick up, bang, and now we're gonna put down the zombie chicken. There you go, zombie chicken. Zombie chicken is doing every 30 minutes, 20% chance a zombie fruit. This is how you get zombie fruits. New mutation. New mutation, zombie fruit mutation. So this is a new update, guys. Let me check the seed shop. Maybe the seed shop is also updated. What's up? What's up? What's up? Beanstalk seed. Okay, this is like yesterday. Isn't this yesterday? Anyways, guys, if you want the beanstalk seed, comment down below bean. I want everybody to comment down below bean if you want one bean seed. I'm gonna give away 2 seeds. Okay, 2 seeds to you guys. So you can actually get it. Wait, what are these blueberries? The blueberries are kind of weird. Your fruit in the garden muted bloom. Oh, we got a new mutation. Look, new mutation. We got it. We also got the disco fruits. You see the disco fruits. These are pretty cool. Should I sell one of these cotton candies so I have money at least? Because I'm gonna sell one of these. Okay, I'm gonna sell one of these shocked ones because I don't have I don't have money. I don't have money. I'm poor. I'm poor. Please. Okay, sell this. 20 million, okay, that's pretty good. 20 million. Let's go. Okay, anyways, guys, this is a new update. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video, subscribe, and I see you in the next video, guys. Watch my next video right now.